Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can remove Startpage as a search engine from the Waterfox web browser. So let us dive into this. So guys, let me open up Waterfox for the sake of this tutorial. And one quick word of explanation. Startpage is the default or built-in search engine usually here on Waterfox. So if you just installed Waterfox, you will most likely see Startpage set as a default search engine. If you'd like to remove it, guys, you will need to access your browser settings. To do that, here in Waterfox, click into these three lines, navigate to settings, and here inside your browser settings, navigate to search. And first, guys, switch to another default search engine if you don't want to use Startpage anymore. Click into the drop-down menu and select one of these, for example, Google, and do the same also for incognito mode. And after that, guys, scroll down till you get to the search shortcuts. And here, for example, what you want to do is click into Startpage, select it, and confirm by clicking into remove to remove it from the quick access here. However, guys, I don't want to do this because I would like to keep it. But that's at least how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.